That was an awesome install. We got the whole rectangular install done, shingles around it. So now the hard part's done, at least outside. But inside, we have our wires through. They're labeled. What happens done?
So now the electrician will come into the attic. They'll find those labeled wires. Within a 1 foot distance, they'll take a metallic flexible conduit to come into the knockout of this rapid shutdown device. This rapid shutdown device is constantly communicating with the inverter. The inverter receives the direct current from the array and blends it into an alternating current so that it's the power that you need inside your house. If anyone turns off the power on the ground floor, if there's any emergency scenario at all, this rapid shutdown will detect that and it'll de-energize everything from the attic to the inverter.